Originally conceived by Citroën in the late 1930s, the Deux Chevaux Vapeur, or 2CV, was aimed specifically at the French peasant farmers, who were at the time still relying on the horse and cart. It was cheap to make, cheap to run, and surprisingly rugged, with a 375cc air-cooled two-cylinder engine and a bit of old cloth for a seat. Development went undercover during the war to keep it from the hands of the Nazi war machine. But when the car was finally launched at the 1948 Paris Motor Show, it was to huge success and a production that spanned 6 decades. And it wasn't just the peasant farmers that bought them. They were perfect around town and tapped into the growing middle-class second car market. With an unstoppable stream of improvements over the years and a variety of slightly bigger engines, all the way up to a towering 602cc, Citroën eventually turned out over 5 million 2CVs, right up to 1990. Yes, this was a quirky French car that the whole world loved to bits. Sadly for the boys, the one they're off to see has been loved to bits, quite literally.